Structural biology is the study of the three-dimensional structures of biological molecules, such as proteins, DNA, and RNA, and how these structures are related to their functions. 1. Understanding the structure and function of proteins. Proteins perform many important functions in living organisms. Their functions depend on their specific three-dimensional shapes. Structural biology helps scientists determine the shape of proteins and understand how they work. Example: the structure of an enzyme shows how its active site binds with its active substrate and helps carry out a biochemical reaction. 2. Understanding diseases. Structural biology helps scientists understand how changes in the structure of biological molecules can affect their functions and cause disease. Example: if the shape of an important protein changes, it may no longer perform its normal function. Studying its structure can help scientists understand the disease mechanism. 3. Drug development. One of the important applications of structural biology is medicine development. Scientists study the structure of a protein involved in a disease and try to find or design a molecule that can interact with it. Example: if a disease-causing protein has a specific binding site, scientists can develop a drug molecule that fits into that site and changes or blocks the protein's activity. Simple idea: protein structure, identify binding site, design suitable drug, treat disease. 4. Understanding DNA and RNA. Structural biology also helps scientists understand the structures of DNA and RNA. By studying their structures, scientists can better understand how genetic information is stored, copied, and used by cells. Example:
For example, the double helix structure of DNA helps explain how DNA can store genetic information and how complementary strands can pair with each other. 5. Understanding enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up biochemical reactions. Their activity depends on the shape of their active site. Structural biology helps explain why an enzyme interacts with a particular substrate. For example, an enzyme's active site has a shape that is complementary to its substrate, similar to a lock and key. Enzyme equals lock, substrate equals key. Structural biology helps scientists understand the exact shape of the lock so they can design a key that fits it properly. 6. Biotechnology. Structural biology helps scientists understand the exact shape of the lock so they can design a key that fits it properly. Knowledge of molecular structure is also useful in biotechnology. Scientists can study and modify proteins or enzymes to make them more useful for particular purposes. Example: understanding an enzyme structure can help scientists improve its activity or stability for use in industrial or laboratory processes. Okay, here's a one-line exam answer. Structural biology is applied to understand the structure and function of proteins and nucleic acids, investigate diseases, develop drugs, study enzymes, and improve biotechnological processes. For more such conceptual video lectures, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your support.